In this video, the authors demonstrate an arthroscopic technique for medial meniscus posterior root repair of left knee, combined with centralization and medial capsulodesis using a knotless soft anchor. After standard diagnostic arthroscopy, the posterior root of medial meniscus is identified, and its reducibility is assessed. A pike crusting of the medial collateral ligament is performed before the procedure to improve visualization and working space. The torn meniscal root and the bone bed are refreshed with curette and spoon, and a shaver is used to remove debris and prepare bone bed. A transtibial tunnel is created with specific instrumentation at the anatomical footprint. Two fiber wire sutures are passed through the meniscal root using a self-retrying suture passer and then shuttled through the tunnel and left untied. Subsequently, the centralization procedure is performed to address meniscal extrusion. A spinal needle is used for reference. Through an accessory anteromedial portal, a 1.8 knotless fiber tack anchor is inserted into the medial tibial plateau by specific instrumentation. Using a now-in technique with two spinal needle and PDS suture, the medial capsule, meniscal tibial ligament, and red zone of the medial meniscus are engaged. One loop of PDS suture are passed through the second loop and then retried on anteromedial portal. The tails of the most posterior PDS suture are pulled from the medial access in order to obtain the scheme in the figure. The blue tail of the wire of the soft anchor is passed then for the loop of PDS in order to engage the red zone of medial meniscus, as represented by the figure on the video. Then the blue wire is passed for the loop of anchor in order to shuttle the repair suture through the meniscus. Finally, the root repair wires are tied over the tibial button, and the centralization suture are tensioned, achieving medial capsulodesis and reducing meniscal extrusion. A final probe test confirms strong fixation of the posterior root and an effective centralization of medial meniscus. Thanks for watching.